If you're in your 30s or 40s and life hasn't turned out as you imagined, you're not alone. Many people reach this stage and realize that the path they're on looks different from the one they pictured years ago. It's a common experience, even if it feels isolating at times. This isn't the end. It's a turning point. That quiet voice inside, asking, "Is this it?" It's not failure. It's a signal. It's your inner wisdom nudging you to pause, reflect, and consider what truly matters to you now. The gap between your reality and your dreams isn't a void. It's a blank canvas. You're still the artist. Every day is a new opportunity to add color, shape, and meaning to your life, no matter where you started. The past is a lesson, not a life sentence. The discomfort you feel is growth calling you forward. It's a sign that you're ready for change, and that you have the courage to answer that call. Your 20s were for exploration. Now you know what doesn't fit. This is wisdom, not tragedy. You've gathered experiences, and now you can choose with more clarity and intention. Let go of old timelines. They were written by a younger you. The most exciting part of your story is just beginning. You have the power to redefine what success and happiness mean for you, right now. Acknowledge where you are, honestly and without judgment. Embrace this moment as the fresh start it truly is. It's easy to compare your life to others. Social media makes it feel like everyone else is winning. But you're only seeing their highlight reel, not their struggles. Comparison steals your joy and blinds you to your own progress. Everyone's journey is different, with unique challenges and triumphs. The only person you should compare yourself to is who you were yesterday. Are you kinder, wiser, or closer to your goals today? That's what matters. Your journey is yours alone. Reclaim your power by seeking validation within, not from others. People think youth is for big changes, but your 30s and 40s are your true superpower. You've gained wisdom, resilience, and clarity about what matters. You know what you value and what you won't tolerate. These years are the perfect blend of energy and experience. You're no longer chasing every trend. You're focused. Set boundaries, protect your peace, and direct your energy with intention. You've survived setbacks and learned that failure isn't fatal. Now, you see detours, not dead ends. You're not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience. Leverage your wisdom to build a life that's fulfilling inside and out. This is your launchpad for the most meaningful chapter yet. Meet Alex. At 42, he had what many would call the perfect life. A stable career, a comfortable home, and a marriage that looked happy from the outside. Yet, deep down, he felt a persistent emptiness, a sense that something essential was missing. Then, in just 6 months, everything changed. He lost his job, and soon after, his marriage ended. The life he'd built seemed to crumble overnight, leaving him adrift and uncertain. Grief and confusion followed. Alex felt like a failure, lost in the rubble of his old life, unsure of who he was without the roles he'd always played. But in that emptiness, he discovered a strange kind of freedom. No more expectations to meet, no more pretending. For the first time in years, he could ask himself what truly mattered. He began to reflect, asking, "What do I truly want from my life? What would make me feel alive again?" He took small, brave steps, a woodworking class to learn something new, long walks in nature to clear his mind, and honest conversations with friends who cared. Each action, no matter how small, was a brick in the foundation of a new life he was slowly building for himself. Gradually, Alex found purpose and joy, making furniture with his hands, reconnecting with old friends, and forming new habits that brought him peace. Alex didn't become someone new overnight. Instead, he became more authentically himself, growing stronger and more self-aware with each passing day. His story reminds us that transformation often begins in our darkest moments, when we have no choice but to start again. The end of one story is really the beginning of a more authentic one. No matter how lost you feel, you can rise too. Your next chapter is waiting to be written, and it can be your best yet. Reinvention isn't a leap, it's a series of small, intentional steps. It's about choosing to move forward even when the path ahead feels uncertain or unfamiliar. Each step, no matter how small, is a powerful act of self-respect and hope. Step 1. Accept your truth. Look at your life honestly, without blame or judgment. This is where real change begins, by seeing yourself clearly and embracing your story, flaws, and all. Step 2. Release old identities. You're not defined by your job, status, or past. Let go of labels that no longer serve you, and make space for who you're becoming. Step 3. Learn new skills. Growth comes from learning, not just degrees. Try something that excites you or challenges your comfort zone. Every new skill is a building block for your future self. Step 4. Build new habits. Start small. Tiny daily actions create momentum and shift your identity. Consistency, not intensity, is what transforms your life over time. Step 5. Take action even when it's uncomfortable. Growth always lives just outside your comfort zone. Nothing changes until you act, so be brave and take that first step. Send the email, make the call, sign up for the class. Action is the bridge between your dreams and your reality. Courage is acting despite fear. Your comfort zone won't help you grow, but every time you step beyond it, you discover new strength within yourself. Every step outside it expands your potential. Reinvention is about progress, not perfection. Celebrate each small win and keep moving forward. You have the power to change, one step at a time. The blueprint is simple: honesty, release, learning, habits, action. Trust the process and believe in your ability to grow. Start today. Your new life is waiting. The first step is yours to take. Reinvention is a choice, a decision to honor who you're becoming. Stop waiting for permission or the perfect moment. The power to begin again is already within you. Today isn't just another day, it can be your day one. Forgive yourself, release old expectations, and look forward. You are the author and hero of your story. Don't let fear of the unknown hold you back. The life you dream of is on the other side of that fear. Take one small, imperfect step toward your dreams. Your new beginning starts now.